OEM, ODM cosmetics manufacturer.
We are a global OEM, ODM manufacturer specializing in cosmetics and skincare. With over 15 years of experience, we serve brands across more than 50 countries. Our 8,000 square meters factory integrates innovation, quality, and scale. Our in-house R&D lab customizes formulas, conducts stability testing, and continuously develops innovative products. All formulations comply with global standards and certifications. Powder-based cosmetics like eyeshadow and blush are pressed, molded, and baked in this area. Liquid cosmetics, including lip gloss and foundations, are filled, capped, and labeled with high precision here. Products are boxed, shrink-wrapped, and packed for safe global delivery. Our strict quality control system covers every step, from raw material inspection to finished product testing. We are certified with GMP, ISO, Halal, vegan, and more. From formula development to packaging and global shipping, we offer one-stop OEM, ODM solutions. With flexible MOQ starting from just 5,000 pieces, we support diverse business models. Partner with Cindy Cosmetics to build your own cosmetic brand.